Hello, hello friend. This is Umang Sharma, and this is my video for my experiment number one, that is inheritance for my C# and .NET programming lab. So before I starting explanation about inheritance program, I will tell you what is the function and program I need to include. So for in this experiment, I need to include inheritance interface, abstract class, sealed keyword, method overriding, method riding, properties based keyword in overriding and constructor. So for this is the my application for design and development and banking application using C# .NET and appropriate use of inheritance concept. Involving that, with that application should provide two type login for admin as well as account holder for uh, account type and current saving account, returning deposit, etc. Then function are open account, edit account, manage account section, all this. I'll show you the my program. So this is the program. I'll tell you, this is my first interface I created as a name, and that function I mentioned as a open account and edit account. And after that we need to create a class that is inheriting my a class, and this two method I overrided open account and account detail, and I created two string as a name, balance, and loan amount is a double type. Admin, this is my constructor. So what my program will run through this, I'm making all these functions. So open account is the function where I am asking account detail from my account name, deposit, and I am storing in my array. And every time, because every time account will increment, so I am incrementing I value. Edit detail, what I am asking, it's account number. So that position means J. So only that position I am updating that account detail. Third method is for managing account, what it is for view all the details. So I am displaying all the, this is display method I am calling from. Sanction loan, what I am asking is sanction loan or for ignore for admin. So sanction loan and admin, first I am asking loan number for sanction loan. So first when he enter, it will ask the enter account number for sanction loan. Then it will enter the amount, which amount we need to enter. So what in loan amount, it will decrement and it will increment that amount in balance, because that our loan has been sanctioned. And that else part I didn't write anything because I don't need. And display method, from 0 to my I value, I'm displaying all the value. And for account holder, what I am inheriting my admin class, and this feature I am giving for deposit I am asking the account number, and after entering the account I am increment the balance number for that, and I am displaying the message for successfully deposit. And withdrawal, what we have the account number I am asking, and enter the amount. After that I am decrementing from my balance array, and I am checking if it is my less than 0, I am telling withdrawal amount exceed balance amount. Else I am what doing, because like, here I already decrement, so I need to increment again with same amount. In our application we can do, it's called reverse banking. So this method is I'm using for that adding amount. And if it is this function is running, it means that withdrawal has been successfully done. And balance inquiry is for displaying the balance, so I am displaying directly, I am asking the account number, and I am displaying uh, that balance now. And this is for the applying loan, I am asking enter num, and I am adding that amount in my loan amount, and it is for successfully amount is. But for transfer, what we need to get to account number. So first is the account number, second receiver. And what I am doing in this, I am asking that amount, and I am decrementing from the sender, and I am checking decrement sender is if it less than 0, so he can't do transfer, and I am reverse banking is there. But if it is greater, what I am doing, then second balance, second user, I am incrementing that amount value, and it is successfully done. And display, I am displaying that method. Here I am using base.display for displaying my parent method. So this is the my function I am asking, first creating the object, and for one for admin, second for account holder. And if it is one, all the object through object I am calling only my parent methods, and if it is two, I am displaying my second class, this class, drive class methods. So I'll show you now output. Otherwise, it is 2. It means we need to exit from that. Now program is started running. It is telling one for admin. So one for admin, open account. Account number is 0 and name I am giving. Deposit amount is I am giving first 0. 100. So account is successfully done. And to for account holder, it's asking which feature I want to check my. It's asking enter account number, so that is 0. So we can see that amount is now 0. But again, what I'm doing, I am creating one more. I am opening one more account name as a Priya and amount I'm giving as a 500. So now what I am doing through my account folder, I enter, I am transferring that amount. Transfer 5, I give an account number as a 0 and register is 1. I am transferring amount as a 50. We can see that is successfully transfer. I will show the output and now is 550. Now what I am doing, I am again depositing the amount. It's asking deposit amount is 0. Account number is 0. Now I am depositing 10,000 amount. Now you can see that the balance has become 10,050 rupees. Now for I am applying for the loan and apply loan number is 0, entering up loan is again 10,000. We can see that successfully applied for loan. Now for admin, what I am doing for sanction loan, I am giving 1. Now here we can see that 0 Umang applied for loan request is 10,000 and real loan amount is 0 because she didn't even. It's telling me 1 for sanction and 2 for ignore. Now I am telling 1 for sanction, I want to sanction. It's asking me which account number you want to sanction. I enter 0. So how many amount? What am 5,000 I sanction. Now you can see that balance for Umang is incrementing by 5,000 and we can see in admin panel for we can see that now loan amount because 5,000 is sanctioned now request it become 5,000 only. Now I'm going for ignore part. Now fit for deposit I'm going for uh, now I'm 20,000 I want to withdraw because it is withdrawal the exit is telling me to withdraw the amounts like exceed and withdrawal balance checking I'm already doing every time and for this supply loan I already fund transfer already. Now I show that balance last time. I hope you understand this experiment. Thank you.